You're with us in spring?
I promise I'm dancing.
You know
I'm
that we have a
dancing
vibe
inside.
this morning,
You
right?
do.
Saturday mornings is nice and cool and chill.
No, the inside I'm genuinely dancing.
Sure?
You're dancing with
Genuinely
us.
inside.
Wonderful. Well, guess what? Now that we're going to get into the meat of the matter, we'd like to welcome Shani. Da, da, da.
No meat.
Shani, no meat, you are correct.
So Christmas is a couple weeks away and the party is about to be in full swing. So if you're hosting this year but can't manage the bustle, Shani, managing director.
She said her last name is Managing Director. So.
Shani Reid of Hourglass Concierge is here to help.
Good
Ma'am,
morning, Shani.
Good morning. How are you?
We are good. We've been entertained by you during the break, so we are quite good. So, big time, Christmas party. Boom. What's the first thing you need to do to put your party in
You need
place?
to make a list. You need to, like Santa, make a list, check it twice, check it thrice, because you'll have 100 ideas and all 100 ideas cannot fit in the same event. So you need to make a list. Like, what do you want? Is it a dinner? Is it you want a games night? What are you doing? How are you going to feed people? What are people going to drink? What are they going to eat? Make a list,
So you just
check
have to
it
plan
twice.
out everything.
You have to plan everything down to the T. You know, factor in the weather. Factor in, say, if you're going to have people outside, what if rainfall? People inside, are they going to be hot? What is the movement going to be like? You need to set the tone. So if you're going to have a costume party, you can't leave it up to people to just wear costumes. You have to set the place like that, just in case somebody just feel lazy and put on a jeans and a shirt.
You have a hat, can give
You
it
know, just put on a little red and white blouse and come out.
Wow, sounds like
very,
she's
very
been...
specific.
Yeah,
Very specific.
look like a dinner mate.
So when I make the list, I just make the list because I make lists a lot of time in my head.
No, you need to write it down.
'Cause
You need to make a list and write it down. Like if you are above the age of 8, I promise you,
You will
write it
forget?
down. You will forget.
So we have make the list.
You make the list,
Set
set
the
the tone,
tone.
make a budget.
Because that's what determines what you're going to be able to do,
Because that
right?
determines when you cross off the things off the list. Because we all have big dreams.
So we start with the budget or budget in the middle? Which
Well,
one?
I don't really like to use that word.
Budget down.
It don't really fit me. It don't really fit me. But you know,
It determines what you can do.
It does determine what you can do. So you need to think about the 3 things that are like most important to you. So
Food.
Food. So if the food
Meat
is important to you, you know, down to the dinner meat.
Are we going to
Or the candy stripe.
Down to the dinner meat or the candy stripe. Make sure that, you know, you set aside that portion of the budget for the things that are important to you. Don't spend it on things that you don't really need and then you don't get what you want from the
Right.
event. Get help. Like, don't know your strengths. Just know your strengths. Listen, if you cannot
Cook.
make mac and cheese, if you can't cook, nothing wrong. Me can't
Go
iron.
hire.
I don't try to.
Go hire somebody to
Just
do
hire
that.
somebody. It's okay to get help. It is literally okay to say, hey, you can bring a salad for me, please. You can bring the sorrel. There's literally nothing wrong.
You mean like potluck it out?
You don't really have to potluck it,
Potluck
but
it, man.
I'm just saying,
Yeah, man.
you don't have
Extra
to
food in
potluck
your
it.
fridge.
But I'm just saying, you don't, this thing where you feel like you have to be in the kitchen for
have to
10
do
hours
everything.
and you're slaving away. No, sir.
And there's
Alright.
so many people
We
who
go
do
through
that.
all of that. We set up the place, we
Yeah.
invite the people, set the
Yeah.
tone,
You get help.
and we get help. But I've been to parties and all of that is fabulous. And the party
And then
boring.
it just,
And
yes,
boring.
Drop flat
because
for
you
the
have
face.
to remember to know your audience. So let's just take something really simple like Christmas dinner. Christmas dinner tends to have a mix of people. You have your grandparents, you have your parents, you have your, because I'm still a millennial in the name of Jesus, you have your millennials.
You have the people who
You
you
have-
want to be there, and the
You have the people who don't want to
and the
come.
ones that you don't want
And
to
I
be
suggest that those people park outside.
there. Park way down the
No,
road.
park outside so that
Some
way you
can
don't have to
leave
be like, you know, you
Can
can
you
let
move
me
your
out, no
car?
man,
No,
park
yeah.
outside.
I'm not talking about the ones that you don't want to be there, no. The ones that you don't want to be there, but them show up anyway.
Oh dear.
What do you do with them people there? Because
I ask them nicely to leave.
You welcome them and say, hi, welcome, how are you? Would you like something to drink?
Seems
We have
so.
water.
Yes,
We have
yeah, you're the
water.
host, you have to entertain it, don't
I
matter.
understand
So you
we have
can't tell
water.
them just don't come. Or if them
Yeah.
come, say you're not invited.
That's not Christ-like.
And it is Christmas.
And it is Christmas.
What about entertainment? What
So
do you do at a
so
party?
at a party, I mean, it depends. So again, you have to know your audience and know what you want. So, okay, Christmas dinner again. Is it that we're going to have movies on? Are you going to have games set up? You can just put a domino table somewhere and put it on. I assure you, people will find it.
Yep.
You know, you have a nice little bar somewhere, a little watering hole, people will gather. Remember, people who are socially awkward or who don't.
What do you do for those
You
people?
know, you make little pockets and then you have to walk around. And
As
so
the
you don't
host.
just stick with your friends that you
okay.
want to be with. You as the host, you know, walk around, introduce people, say, follow me, come to this, follow me, come to that, just so that they feel included, because people tend to kind of clique up. All the cousins go together here, so all the parents go here, so the kids give the
That's the
kids
next one.
give
That's
the
it,
kids something to do, so that you know
Exactly.
they're not just running wild all
Because
over
if
the
you
place.
leave kids, them will go.
Yeah, they'll just go crazy,
They will.
and
Pop down the
it's
Christmas
Christmas,
tree.
or they get presents, you know, even that, like, bring the tablets or bring something that they got for
Keep
Christmas
them.
Day to occupy them, because then they're gonna be bored and then they're gonna occupy themselves, and that's when
And
things
probably
break.
break something. Yeah.
And when things break and you hear crying,
Everybody,
and we don't want
party
that.
done.
Yeah,
The
party done
done.
same time.
So,
Yeah.
and on top of all of that, we have to have fun.
And you definitely have to have fun. Don't go through all of this and
To just be stressed.
To just be stressed and tired, and then you're left with this big mess to clean up. That no.
And of course, my addition to that, you can also hire someone to come and help you host the party if you are
Certainly.
not a social butterfly.
Shameless plug. So this is an image of a party that you've hosted.
Yes, this was our Virtudes Lodge. It was so much fun. It was so much fun. It was all the way out in Darliston. If you've never been to Darliston, it is inner Westmoreland, like inner, deep.
So when we reach
Deep.
this up, when we reach this up,
Deep.
Shani, when we reach this up.
Fly.
Boy.
You know, so them have drone.
Let me tell you what it is. So when you reach middle quarters, you
Just
make the right,
right,
and you go through Newmarket.
And then just continue
I
right.
know 6 different ways
Yeah,
to
man.
Darliston at this point in my life.
Just make a left
Right.
and
Are you
at the big
that?
tree.
Yes, of course. We can bathe and tidy, you know.
Oh, truly, I'm on here. Me never
Bid
see-
and
That's
tidy.
very
Oh,
nice.
you're-
You see,
oh,
you never ever know, says you.
Of course.
But that looks
You have
like
to be-
fun.
You have to, yeah, no, it was so much fun.
And the platter.
It was absolutely the cheese board. Yeah,
Beautiful.
cheese boards are
Woo,
great. Swim.
We want
Cheese
swim.
boards are excellent if you want something nice, but you know the budget kind of
The budget.
the budget right
Budget.
kind of concise.
Yeah.
Cheese boards are excellent because it just look pretty. You just spread out everything and it just
Yes.
look pretty. And it's just like wow, and it's
Yeah.
really just
Looks
cheese
like a
and
nice
grapes.
Shani, where they find you? Where they find you?
You can find us on Instagram, on Facebook at the Hourglass Concierge. You can email us at admin@hourglassprojects.co. You
Anything with hourglass.
Anything with hourglass.
How
just
soon them
find-
have to email you because Christmas
get-
coming up.
email me now.
So that
Email
you
me
can get it
now.
done.
What do you need? Operators are standing by.
Hey! That means that our friend outside.
How
with
you
the
know?
phone.
How you know?
It was a pleasure, Shani.
Thank
You're
you
not
so
leaving
much
us
for
just
having us.
yet, though.
No, I'm
But thank you for telling us how to organize our Christmas party.
Yeah, Shani, Managing Director, Reid of Hourglass Concierge. We'll be right back.
We're going to go for a break.
Don't say Shani.
You call when you need it. Where do you go? Every time I touch your bed, whispering